G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast. In this video we're going to have a look at this Nissan Patrol GQ, otherwise known as a Y60, GR-Y60. It's in a black and a silver colour. It's a 1/64 scale from Shadow Pro. Some information on the bottom there. It's not a licensed product. It's number 450. We have the outline of the Nissan Patrol there. So let's get this open and get this review started. I've been looking forward to this one. So it's alright, a rag, cleaning rag. That's pretty cool. So we've got the base there. There's not much on the base. We've just got Shadow Pro Patrol Y60 and then scale 1/64. So it's fairly well protected. It's not screwed down to the base. Let's get this out. Righto. All looks good. Yeah, definitely. Happy with that one. I do like this, and that's what I got this colour, because basically it was the same colour as what mine is. Yeah, I've got a 1990 Nissan Patrol GQ. This would be, anywhere from sort of 92 onwards. This particular model, it probably would be actually about a 92, because it doesn't have the side lights here. It's just got the indicator and the guard. Okay, it's pretty cool. It does have articulation. It's not suspension, but it's, it simulates a bit of wheel travel there, articulation. So you can flex it up on some rocks, some fake rocks. I need to get the Nissan, the 720 or Navara, whichever one you want to call it. And the 1/64, that also had the articulating suspension. Right, let's start at the front. Hopefully my camera cooperates and goes into focus. It's been playing up. Alright, so on the front we have just a bit of a tube bull bar, standard sort of issue. We didn't, pretty sure we didn't get these type of bars over here in Australia. It was more European countries that got those. You can see the standard bumper bar underneath there. Everything's all original here at the front. Grille, headlights look good. Indicators. Windscreen's good. It's clear. No problems there. We do have, from what I can see, there's separate windscreen wipers. Hopefully you can see and there's enough light. I might bring the light over here a little bit. Try and brighten that up a bit. Being a black car with black features, it does make it hard. I've said this before in videos that black diecast cars are hard to film because everything's small, and if it's all black, well, it's definitely hard to see. I love black cars in real life. Just when they're small like this, being black is very difficult to see all the features. So I do like coloured cars in diecast, but yeah, my Patrol's all black now, just dodgy black paint job. Anyway, everything looks good here. The only thing I don't like, which I've seen with a couple of models, is the windows on the side here. It's all sort of one piece, but there's a gap between the window and the door under there where the You can sort of see, you can just see there that there is a gap. Yeah, there shouldn't be any gaps. I don't like having a gap there. If the gap was up the top, that's fine. You can get away with that, just saying the windows are down a bit. But here, it's not supposed to be a gap there. So I don't like that. But from a distance and on the shelf, that'll look great. But up close when we're doing this, I can see straight through there and I don't like it. We have the original Bridgestone Desert Jewelers, which is what these cars came out with. And then under here, you can see where they've tried to simulate a coil spring, which, yeah, there was one there, but you didn't see it like that. But either way, it's there. They've tried. So it's the main thing, as long as they try. But sometimes some things are better left not done. And we've got the original side steps here. You can see the silver door handles with the lock there. The indicator on the side, two-tone black and charcoal colour. We can see the wheel arch flares here. Rear vent there, which was just a plastic piece, and sliding windows in the back. Around the back here we have our aluminium step bumper. We have a wheel cover. Indicators here are a lensed brake light indicator, and the ones in the rear bars there as well, which was brake lights. Full size spare wheel. We have the demister lines on the barn doors. The number plate light and door handle here. We've got Patrol GR. And then on the door we've got Patrol 4x4, GR, and SLX, which is something we never got here. We just got TIST. Yeah, that was it. Passenger side of the vehicle, we have our fuel filler door. Be good if they made this in the right-hand drive, which would then be a GQ. Same thing here. We've got our coil spring there in the back, which you never would have seen because of the chassis rail and everything. Yeah, I don't like the mirror. Like, they've done a reasonably good job, but this one here is not quite straight, and you can still see a bit of flashing on the side from where it was joined to the mould. This one here, driver's side, you can see it's underneath. But this mirror here is on crooked, and you can see it's on the end. They do have reflective material on them, but yeah, the rest of it sort of suffers a bit. There's no roof lining or anything. It's just the window there that you can see. This is a 7-seater, so we've got 3 rows of seats. Can't see. Does it have any? What details are inside? So we can see the seats there. They're a sort of a light greyish colour. And is there any markings on? No, I can't see anything on the dashboard. It's got the steering wheel there. It does have the console. It's got the console, steering wheel. It's got the grab rail there for the passenger. What else can we see? Yeah, so there's no instruments in there, so nothing on the dash. It's just grey from what I can see. Yep. Right. Okay, fair enough. So the mirrors are hard plastic, so I guess be careful with those. So I'll sit it up on the turntable. So there we go, got it flexed up. That looks cool. Yeah, pretty happy with that one. Yeah, it looks good. So I can't really see too many issues apart from that mirror. Everything else is looking pretty good. Yeah, pretty happy with that one. I do have another patrol coming up, which is the Tomica. The MQ, or MK, this one. So that'll be coming up in another video. I won't do that right now. This is just the GQ video here. So this one will go with the rest of the patrols that I have. I did miss out on the, was bidding on a 118 scale short wheelbase from Otto. But it was in the UK and everyone knows how dear they are. I went to, yeah, I bid up to about 350. It was kind of my cut-off limit, but yeah, they do sell for around $500, $600, $700. I just couldn't go there with that. So I will always be on the hunt for one. We'll see what happens. But at the moment, I've got a fair few 164 scale patrols. Alright. Well, I'm going to end that video there. Check out the other ones popping up. And please like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel as much as you can. And we will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.